one other thing that you can do is to remove guilt from the equation. Now, this is easier said than done, I totally understand. But what I do is I help clients try and figure out ways that they can actually believe that they don't have to feel guilty about saying no to their partner or not being interested in it. Something else that you can do is thinking about sex or intimacy as an act of self-love rather than a chore. Again, easier to do, I totally understand, but in my previous videos, you'll see that I talk about how to do that a lot more effectively. So the more that your body learns that something around physical intimacy is going to lead to simply pleasure and not pressure, then your nervous system will start to be more and more comfortable with it. It'll start to want it. But also what you can try is, instead of trying to reach pleasure, try reaching just neutral. Like, what doesn't suck about this? What can I find that is just kind of there, just is?